Today I'm going to another island. It will take 24 hours by ferry. At the moment it's a cyclone season, so if the ferry cancel, I have to take a flight with my bicycle. That will be really expensive. I was really hesitate to go. I actually have a flight after a few days, and that's very expensive flight. And if I'm stuck there, like I'm going to lose like $800.
You're going to make it far?
Yeah, I'm the last one. I have to hurry. See you. I left my bicycle over there. Thank you.
Enjoy it and we pray for good weather.
Thank you so much. See you next week. This is the ferry I'm taking. I like to explore. Yeah, there's my bicycle. Tonga looks always so peaceful, quiet. And I was actually sleeping and just arrived. This is just the middle of the way. I saw people eating something. I can't go out. I'm hungry. Another 10 hours more to go. I love any kind of transportation. 24 hours is probably longest ferry I ever taken. But it's good. I enjoy. Here finally I'm in Vavau.
We can't offload anything at the moment. The stat boat is still sitting in the main wharf. We'll have to wait until they leave at 6.
I have to come back at 6. My bicycle's over there, so I have to walk around to find the accommodation. Anyway, welcome to Vavau. I'm just checking around the town for a hotel and then tourist office, and it's so quiet. I love it. Time to pick my bicycle. So far, so good. I already love this island. If I can watch whale swim like more than 10 minutes, that will be the best ever in my life. I'm doing another way tour because I want to do again and I want to swim longer. So this time, hopefully, I can do it. The whale is here coming. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, it is. It looks very close, but just literally water like that was amazing. It's amazing. Thank you. It's enough. That was amazing. The baby, the kids, around, and mommy calm down. They are more free to cycle around. It's such a cute island. The island doesn't have a round road, so I have to actually come and go, come and go. It's such a nice big church. It's closed. Ah, it's so beautiful weather. I wish this is sunny weather when I did this wave swim. This is great. Main island was very flat. This area is a bit hilly there up and down. The shade is so good. No. Shh. Shh. Wait. Go. Wait. It's hot. This island is hotter than the main island. Wait. That was very close to my bag. Maybe my bag looks like very yummy. Hey. Bye. 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 Korean. During volcano eruption this year, there was no any effect in Vavau Island because it was so far.
Sorry about it.
No worries.
I go for...
I just cycling again.
It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll be back.
Yeah, it's okay, I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Malo. That was like... that was crazy. This is the village at the end of the road. Oh, look at the color of the water. Just for my memory. Hi. Yeah, it was nice to meet you. Bye. Just said a small chat with her that she's waiting the boat to go back home. I never seen actually how people take mango.
Really?
No.
It's like this. You ready?
Yeah.
Like this?
Ah, easy. Wow. Okay, that's very enough. Oh, thank you for your mango.
Yeah, no one. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm looking forward for the next video.
Ah, thank you. Bye. He said he saw my video and he stopped me and he gave me actually mango. Look at this beautiful day. Here back to the town. And I cycled western side because I just came from eastern side. Look at this old sailboat here waiting the owners who probably went back home due to a cyclone or something. You're the owner? Is it okay if I look around? You live here?
Yep.
You born here?
Oh no, I'm English.
Ah, how long have you been in Tonga?
10 years?
10 years.
Yeah. Have a look. It's really nice down there.
Thank you so much for showing
No
around.
problem. Brilliant.
Thank you,
No
sir.
worries.
I never been this kind of place. But some people actually stay here. It's like Harbour Park. There's toilet and shower. Here belongs to someone, isn't it? What's the smell? Good smell, isn't it? Good smell. Vavau Island is a very hilly place. So actually I came to like all around and sun is going down. So I might go back soon. I think sailing doesn't take actually longer. Like when people say, oh, we sail 1 year, 2 years because they stay in one place many times. And my cycling is the same. I cycle like 8 years, 9 years, 10 years because I stay in one place so long. I had a jet for a while and now the sun is going down. It's a very interesting place here. If I get $1 million, I'll get some sailboat. I don't like to join as a crew. It's like a tandem bicycle. I want to drive my own bicycle. I want to drive my own sailboat. But I should just stop cycling and go back. This is what happens all the time around the sunset. I want to keep cycling. Suddenly lots of energy to cycle at this time. But this time I have accommodation to go back, so I should go back. Look at this, there's downhill. Don't go downhill this. Let's go back. I'm too slow at cycling. You know, like I talk to people and I draw and then I eat something. So I couldn't make all the round trip in this Vavau Island. I'm surprised I didn't have any luggage on my bicycle, and still people are kind, nice, you know, they talk to me, and still I think this is really better than, you know, just staying in the town. This is the reason why I love cycling, because once I'm on a bicycle, everyone talk to me. So easy. If I was with my bicycle on a whale swim tour, I'm sure whale didn't run away. But now it's time to go back to the town, and tomorrow I'm leaving with a ferry. I'm really happy that the ferry is not cancelled yet. Hopefully they don't cancel tomorrow. Today I'm leaving Vavau. It's really good that ferry is not cancelled. Okay, my bicycle is here because of there's a cow. Before I took my bicycle here, but this time cows takes everything. Looks like I'm the last passenger, and wow, I can't imagine how I will survive. Last time I missed this place because I was sleeping, and actually they stopped for 1 hour, so I just check quickly this island. This place looks much quieter than even the Vavau. No, I love quiet islands, and I'm going to a very busy place after I left the South Pacific. Can you guess where I'm going? Turbo Tonga is finished. There's no restaurant open. There's only one place in front to actually walk. But I'm not sure they have any left. Hello? Hello. Do you have any food? No. Where did you buy food? They finished. Yeah. My surviving skill is not that nice. I'm too slow to survive. No dinner for me tonight. My dinner, apple and something I bought from this morning. I'm not sure I still can eat. Always the last one. My adventure to Vavau little island, 24 hours by ferry, 48 hours by round trip is finished. I'm pretty tired. I need to sleep. And after a couple of days, I'm leaving South Pacific. I'm moving to a different continent. This is totally opposite from this island speed. Like everything will be very fast over there. Stay tuned. I will see you on the next video about leaving the South Pacific with the 5 different airplanes. See you. Bye bye. Oh, and maybe subscribe my channel. Bye bye.